Hello and welcome to the Halftime Report. Joining us on the show now is Rishi Nathany from MCX. Rishi, hi, good to have you. And what a day really, because MCX has hit an all-time high in sense of turnover across products. Much of the chunk, would you say, is coming in from bullion as we hit those numbers?
Yeah, thanks, Manisha. It's been a good day yesterday. We hit an all-time high on our overall turnover, which is 1.51 lakh crores single-sided, out of which options were 1,16,000 crores, and gold also was very high, around 8,000 crores plus. So overall, a very good day.
Clearly. And we wish you more of those, Rishi. But, the positive cue from the market also comes in as there is more retail opening up in the MCX in sense of contracts. A lot of mini contracts have been launched, right from precious metals to energy. And, well, how have you seen participation come in from these?
Early days yet, but the signs are very encouraging. We are seeing a healthy OI build-up in all our mini contracts. Today, we've launched the natural gas mini contract, which is also seeing very good participation, and the other base metal mini contracts and the crude oil mini contract, all of them are seeing very good participation across the board.
This is a relaunch of contracts, clearly, Rishi, because it was in Jan 2020 when SEBI took them off. What would you say the exchange has worked upon on getting these back? Was there enough market feedback or participation waiting for this?
Yes, so apart from natural gas minis, which is new to the market, others are relaunches. And it was a need for the market, and there were a lot of people, especially MSMEs, etc., who wanted these smaller contracts. And the exchange also represented, and SEBI, in its wisdom, has allowed these contracts back. So we are very thankful for that.
Another thing that recently came in sense of notification from SEBI has been allowing of FPIs in commodity derivatives. I mean, this is a conversation that we've been seeing, hearing for last 6-8 months now. Now that is in, how much time would it take for markets to start making use of this? What kind of interest also are you seeing from FPIs?
So we are seeing very healthy interest, a lot of inquiries happening, and the exchange, after SEBI allowed them, the exchange has issued a circular on Friday last week allowing FPIs to be onboarded. Now it's up to the FPIs to come through their brokers and start trading on the exchange. There is nothing that stops them from starting trading.
We do understand that earlier it was about leveraging of foreign participants that was allowed. That didn't really take off. In its new avatar, how soon can we see the numbers climbing up?
So, well, it's all a function of how soon people get onboarded. So I would request all those who are interested to please come and start trading on the commodities markets, because we need to build liquidity, depth, and more participation in these markets.
Okay, that was a good pitch. Rishi, also, how are the numbers overall looking now? I mean, as we're looking, for commodities, this seems to be a good time. We're looking at huge amount of volatility. Gold and silver in all various multi-contracts seem to be doing well. And the fact that perhaps essential commodities do not work in sense of trading in India. Are we looking at newer commodities, newer contracts coming in days to come?
Well, sure, we keep analyzing what commodities are good for the market, and as we get regulatory approvals, we'll definitely bring them. But having said that, see, geopolitics and the uncertainty that surrounds it, I think it's the new normal. So commodity markets are the place to come and hedge your risk. So that is why I think overall participation in these markets will keep going up.
Okay, all right. Well, MCX has hit an all-time high in terms of gold as well. So a lot of interest in terms of commodity trading. Manisha, thanks very much for joining in, as well as Mr. Nathani, in terms of taking us through that conversation. We need to take a short break with the news that there has been a significant amount of recovery from the lows, but it's overall turning out to be a volatile trading session. However, the Bank Nifty has recovered significantly from the lows. 39,467 is currently where it's at. Need to take a short break. More on the markets once we're back. Stay tuned.